Hello everybody and welcome back again with Thai with Grace on the road, and we're gonna take a look at this word. Take a look with me. Try to read it. Look at this first consonant. The first consonant is saw, right? Without this like line here, can you guess what it is? Will be law, right? So the L sound, and just with a little line here becomes S sound. So okay, so that one is NG sound. So song, wai, song wai. Another word to say fast. You guys probably, if you learn some Thai, you would already know the word for reo, right? That is fast. This one is wai. Another way of saying it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the studio. And here I just want to explain a little bit further about what I was explaining on the road. The word S and L, totally different, written in English. But look at the word in Thai. In Thai, there's pretty much the same letter with L, right? S and L. But S has line and L doesn't have line. On the top, can you see that on the top there's a line for S? So just imagine that the line make it longer. So when you make a sound S, it goes longer. So S and L, S, L. Very good. So don't get that confused, yeah? Also, I explained the two words for fast. First one that you would learn earlier in your study is reo. Reo, fast. Wai means the same thing. So you can easily say ma wai wai, come quickly, or ma leo leo. พูดไวเกินไป you talk too fast. Or the same thing, พูดเร็วเกินไป. Very good. Okay, back to the road. ส่งชัวร์ ส่งชัวร์ what song is send ส่งไว send fast, send ชัวร์ that's English. That's why we have this R sound with a little line up here. That line just cancel out the sound. So sure, so it's send for sure, right? Let me help you understand about the usage of galan, this sign that cancels out the sound of the words, and loan words. In Thai writing, even though the words that you don't pronounce letter when it's loan word, you still want to write it and show where it came from. For example, the word guide. We don't have the at the back. We just say guide. To have the at the back, guide. Sounds very foreign and sounds too not Thai. So we will not pronounce it, but we have it in the writing. See, since it's D, we have the da with the galan. And below that is jeans. We don't pronounce at the back. We say yin. Jeans, the shorts, right? Jeans. But we have this with galan, which is not pronounced at all. Buffet. In English is buffet, yeah, with the T at the back. So we don't pronounce T at the back. We say buffet, but we keep the T word. Website. We don't have T. We say website, but you still keep the T sound. Helicopter with the R at the back. See, the R at the back is raw in Thai. That's why we keep it. But we would say helicopter. Last word is style. Style. See the L, right? Style. L in Thai we use the word, the letter law. Style. We don't say style, we say style. 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 That's why. So how do you know which one is to write? First, it's always best to know what is it in English and use that letter, and many times you just have to memorize it. Alright, okay, let's go back to the verb. So it's send for sure, right? And then what is that? ทั่วไทย ทั่วไทย all around Thailand, all over Thailand. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you in next video soon.